My name's Eric Renz. I'm studying nursing in Duquesne's Accelerated Bachelor of Science nursing degree program for second degree students. I was planning on going to a 2-year nursing school, and that just really seemed like so much time after I had just finished a 4-year program. So I really liked the fact that Duquesne was 1 year, and you really don't see a 1-year program many places. So Duquesne's classwork, it's very applicable, it's very lifelike, it's very hands-on in terms of the labs that we have, and we also jump right into clinicals immediately. So we're getting that hospital experience as soon as possible, which is really cool. I'm a hands-on learner. When I see something in clinical, I can relate it back to class. I found that the professors, the lab instructors, the clinical instructors, advisors have all been super helpful and super willing to answer any questions. I also really enjoy the fact that it is just a secondary class. There's 60 of us that go through for the entire year. We take every single class together, and it's just been really cool getting to know a lot of the people in the program. While this program may seem intense and a lot in 12 months, it is, but it's definitely rewarding and it's worth it.